Ever wondered how to make the best coffee at home? Today we're brewing up a storm with a rich, full-bodied French press coffee. You'll need a French press, some dark roast beans, and a few other tools. So grab your French press and let's dive in. The first method is the French press, which is one of the easiest and most popular ways to make coffee. The secret here, my friends, is to use freshly roasted beans. The fresher, the better. Grind them just before brewing to capture the full flavor. You'll want a coarse grind, a bit like sea salt. The right proportion of coffee to water is crucial. Aim for a 1:16 ratio. So if you're using 20 grams of coffee, you'll need 320 grams of water. Now that we have our coffee ground, it's time to start brewing. To brew the French press, start by boiling some water in your kettle. As it heats, introduce your freshly ground coffee into the press, leveling out the bed with a gentle shake. Once your water reaches a boil, let it cool for about 30 seconds before pouring just enough to saturate the grounds. This initiates the bloom stage, a pivotal moment where your coffee releases its captivating aromas and carbon dioxide. After a 30-second pause for the bloom, break up any clumps with a spoon. Next, pour the rest of the water in a circular motion, making sure to wet all the grounds evenly. Put the lid on the French press, but don't press down the plunger yet. Let the coffee steep, letting the magic happen for 4 full minutes. As you slowly push down the plunger, you're separating the grounds from the liquid, halting the extraction process. This is what gives your coffee that rich, full-bodied flavor. It creates a unique texture, a little sediment, and those beautiful oils that enhance the mouthfeel. Now, your French press coffee is ready to enjoy. You can either pour it into your favorite mug or transfer it to a thermal carafe to keep it warm. This French press coffee has a unique, full-bodied flavor. Feel free to add milk or sugar, and don't hesitate to experiment until it suits your taste perfectly. There you have it, a rich and full-bodied French press coffee made right at home. Enjoy.